Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to be showing you guys how I got these super cute jumbo twists. So in this tutorial, you will need some jam or some shine jam. You'll need a comb, a clip, and a brush, and some braiding hair. Now, I did end up trading and changing this braiding hair to this silky jumbo braiding hair because I didn't like the texture of the expressions. But I am starting off on freshly washed blow-dried hair, and I'm going ahead and starting off to pre-section my hair in this medium size, as you can see. So I'm just cleaning up my parting right here. I am looking at another mirror, and so two different mirrors, just to make sure I'm pretty precise on my partings, and going in and checking that with my fingers and just double checking with the mirror. So like I said, I am pre-sectioning my hair just to make this process easier. So I'm just going to be doing like a medium-sized part, and then I am going to go in with my jam or shine and jam and smooth that section all around that particular braid, if that makes sense. You'll see right here in this clip. And then I just go in with my comb, or you can go in with a brush and just smooth it out even more to make sure you don't have any big clumps or lumps. And then I am taking a rubber band to secure it. There are different methods and ways you can do it, but I just find the rubber band method the easiest for me because I can pre-section my hair for one, and I just feel like the braid won't slip out or look too messy. So I have completed the rest of my hair in the back, and I just twisted it up to make sure it was out of my way. And I'm not going to show the entire clip of how I do this, but I do smooth it with a toothbrush as well, just to make sure I have a nice, clean, smooth braid. Yeah, I'm not going to show you guys the whole thing. I'm going to speed this up because it's pretty boring, and I feel like it's pretty explanatory. Just to part your hair in the section you want. If you want it this big, then part it this big. So in the braid, I will brush my hair just to make sure it's detangled. And then I will twist this up again just to make sure it's out of my way. And then I will just continue to twist the rest of my hair to make sure it's out of my way. So now that I have completely finished my pre-sections, I am going to go ahead and take the hair, the expressions hair. Now, like I said, I did end up changing it, but I'm going to show you guys how I, do the hair. So this part won't really matter, I guess, because I did end up changing the hair, but I'm going to show you guys how I pre-stretch the hair and how I start braiding. But if you like expressions, if you like the texture, then you can follow this way and how I did the hair and how I cut it in half. So I'm going to take a piece in the back, untwist it, and detangle it again. And I am going to take some more of that jam just to smooth out the frizziness of my hair. And then this part, I take about 2 inches of a piece of braiding hair, and I separate maybe 1/2 inch. And then I wrap it around underneath the big piece of the braid. And then I pinch it like such. And then I twist my middle finger to go in between the big piece of the hairpiece. I'm trying my best to explain this, so I hope this makes sense. You can go back to that piece or that portion of the video and slow it down. So like I said, this is where I decided I didn't like the texture of the hair, and the next day I just changed it to this silky textured hair. And I did already complete more of the braids. So again, I'm just pre-stretching it and taking about a 2-inch piece, and then taking 1/2 inch of that piece and wrapping it around and starting the braid. So I do go ahead and braid about 3 or 4 times down before I start before I start twisting the hair. So here you can see that I am just braiding down a few times, and that is just to make sure it is secure. Again, there are plenty of ways to do this. I just find that this is the easiest way for me, and I just like the way it looks on me. So then I take more of that jam just to make sure the frizzy parts of my hair are smooth and that they're not sticking out of the braid. And I just continue to twist down. As you're twisting down, you will notice you will need to grab some jam depending on your hair type, just to make sure it's smooth and secure. And in the back, I do put this in my mouth because it does pull and that hurts. You don't want to pull your hair too much, that will cause hair breakage. So either ask for help or hold it in your mouth so you can pull and secure. So I went ahead and finished the back of my hair, as you can see. And I'm just continuing that same process throughout the rest of my head. So you can either skip past this or you can watch a closer version of how I'm doing this. Again, braiding 3 or 4 times down, and then I start twisting. And also, just to mention, this hair does go to my waist. I did not show like how long it actually was on me. I am 5'5", and this did touch my lower back, and I have a short torso. So I'm sorry I didn't show you guys that part. But yeah. And then I do dip this in hot water. It's a very simple step. You just boil a hot pot of water and dip your ends in and secure it with some holding mousse. And then I just go in and clean up my edges with some Shine and Jam. So now I am completely done with my hair. The next step is just to cut off any raggedy, strangling pieces at the end. And this is the final result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I would love to know if you tried this at home and how yours came out. Also, make sure to subscribe and like this video if you did enjoy it and you are new to my channel. All right, thank you guys. Bye.